If you are spending hours every week clicking through menus, searching for the right buttons, and manually dragging your mouse across thousands of rows of data, you are losing valuable time. In the professional world, efficiency is everything. Today, I am going to solve the specific problem of wasted time by showing you the 15 essential Excel keyboard shortcuts that will instantly transform you from a beginner to a highly efficient power user. You don't need to memorize the entire Excel dictionary, you just need these 15 critical commands. By the end of this video, you will navigate spreadsheets seamlessly, format data instantly, and slice hours off your weekly workload. Let's skip the long setup and dive directly into the data. Flash fill is very useful when Excel notices a pattern in your data and continues it automatically. For example, if one column contains both city names and PIN codes together and you want to separate them, you can type one example in the next column and then press Ctrl plus E. Excel studies the pattern and fills the remaining cells automatically. If you type only the city name in one cell and press Ctrl plus E, Excel can often extract all the city names from the original column. In the same way, if you type one PIN code example and press Ctrl E, Excel may extract all the PIN codes. Let's continue with the most common task in any office, filtering data. Imagine you have a massive dataset of customer information. The old way is to move your mouse up to the data ribbon, scan for the filter icon, and click it. Here is the professional way. Click any single cell inside your data. It does not matter which one. Now, hold down the Ctrl key, hold down the Shift key, and tap the letter L. Instantly, small drop-down arrows appear at the very top of every single column. This is your gateway. Click any arrow and you can instantly sort your data or hide rows you don't want to see. Want to turn them off? Press Ctrl Shift L again. It acts as a light switch, toggling your filters on and off in a fraction of a second. Our next shortcut solves a major headache: formatting and organizing raw data. Raw data is difficult to read, but when you convert it into an official Excel table, magic happens. Instead of highlighting everything and looking for the Format as Table button, simply click inside your data and press Ctrl plus T or Ctrl plus L. A small box will pop up asking, "Where is the data for your table?" Just make sure the box that says, "My table has headers," is checked and hit Enter. Instantly, your raw text becomes a beautifully formatted, highly functional database. Now, let's talk about the way your numbers look. The calculation gap happens when you stare at plain, boring numbers like 2500 without knowing if they represent dollars, euros, or quantities. Select a group of cells. Now hold Ctrl and press the number 1. This opens the Format Cells dialog box immediately. This is the control center for how your data looks. From here, you can navigate to Currency to add dollar signs, go to Alignment to center your text, or go to Fill to add background colors. Professional users press Ctrl 1 dozens of times a day because it guarantees you never have to hunt through the ribbon to make your data look presentation ready. Dragging your mouse to select data is dangerous. If you have 10,000 rows like this data set, dragging the mouse takes forever, and if your finger slips, you have to start all over again. Instead, click anywhere inside your contiguous block of data. Hold Ctrl, hold Shift, and press the asterisk key, usually located on the number 8 key. Excel instantly reaches out in all directions, up, down, left, and right, and selects every single connected cell perfectly. This is the safest, fastest way to grab your entire dataset before copying it or creating a pivot table. What if you don't want the whole table? What if you only want to select one single column of data from the top all the way to the very bottom? Click the first cell you want to select. Hold Ctrl, hold Shift, and press the down arrow. Excel will shoot down the column and highlight everything until it hits an empty cell. If you want to select across a row, hold Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. This allows you to surgically select exact ranges of data without ever touching the mouse. Sometimes you just want to look at the bottom of your data without highlighting it. If you have a massive list and you need to see the very last entry, do not use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Hold Ctrl and press the down arrow. Your active cell instantly jumps to the very bottom edge of your data block. Press Ctrl plus up arrow to jump right back to the top. Ctrl plus right arrow takes you to the far right edge. It's like teleporting around your spreadsheet. This is a crucial technical concept. When you write a formula and drag it down, Excel automatically moves your cell references down too. But sometimes you need a formula to look at one specific cell, like a tax rate, without moving. When typing your formula, click the cell you want to lock and press the F4 key on the top of your keyboard. You will see dollar signs magically appear around the cell name, like $D, $4. Those dollar signs lock the cell in place. Pressing F4 repeatedly cycles through different locking options. This prevents massive calculation errors in your financial models. Beginners often overwrite their data by mistake. If a cell contains the word tax and you want to change it to tax value, clicking the cell and typing value will erase tax entirely. To safely edit what is already inside a cell, click it and press F2. Your cursor will appear at the very end of the text inside the cell, allowing you to add or delete characters without erasing the original data. This is a lifesaver when fixing complex formulas. When your workbook has multiple tabs at the bottom, like January, February, March, clicking them one by one is slow. Instead, hold Ctrl and press Page Down to flip to the sheet on the right. Press Ctrl plus Page Up to flip back to the sheet on the left. You can flip through an entire year of financial reports in 3 seconds, keeping your hands firmly on the keyboard. The shortcuts, Ctrl plus R and Ctrl plus D help copy content quickly. Ctrl R means fill right. Ctrl D means fill down. For example, if one cell contains text and you want to repeat that text in cells to the right, select the range and press Ctrl R. Excel fills the content to the right. If you want to repeat content or a formula downward, select the range and press Ctrl D. These shortcuts are useful not only for text, but also for formulas. They can save time when you want to copy the same formula across rows or columns. Do you need to add up a column of numbers? Don't type equal, sum, parenthesis, and drag your mouse. Click the empty cell directly below your numbers, hold the Alt key, and press the equals key. Excel instantly writes the sum formula for you and highlights the numbers above. Just hit enter. It takes less than 1 second. The shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-V, opens the Paste Special dialog box. This is helpful when you want more control over how copied data is pasted. For example, if you copy cells that contain formulas but want to paste only the results, not the formulas, you can press Ctrl-Alt-V to open Paste Special and choose values. The Paste Special window gives you many options, such as pasting values, formulas, formats, comments, and more. The F9 key is useful when you want to check part of a formula. Suppose you are using one formula inside another formula, such as max inside VLOOKUP. If you want to see the result of only one part of the formula, select that part in the formula bar and press F9. Excel will show the result of that selected portion. This is very useful when checking formulas and understanding how they work. If you want to return to the original formula after pressing F9, just press Ctrl-Z. Finally, the shortcut that makes your headers look professional. If you are typing a long title like First Quarter Revenue and you want revenue to drop down to a second line within the exact same cell, pressing Enter won't work. That just moves you to the next cell. Instead, type First Quarter, hold Alt and press Enter. Your cursor drops down a line inside the cell. Type revenue and hit enter. Now you have perfectly stacked, readable headers without making your columns excessively wide. And there you have it. You've just learned the 15 essential keyboard shortcuts that form the foundation of professional Excel efficiency. By replacing mouse clicks with these quick keystrokes, you will work faster, reduce errors, and eliminate the setup slumps in your daily workflow. If you want to master even more advanced techniques, including dashboards and Power Query, check out my official courses at melontraining.com. Practice these shortcuts today, and I will see you in the next tutorial.